Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, Friday we made this big push down. Now we are drifting back up. Our job is definitely going to be to try to figure out whether this move up right here is like a pullback to this move down, meaning that it's going to make a lower high and continue down like that, or whether this is going to just keep on drifting up and finish off this wave C of wave Y, like I was talking about before we had that big push down. So taking it down to about the 4 hour time frame is probably about as far down as I really need to go for this pattern because I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. If we do get a break at a Fibonacci level, as in it goes down, makes it engulfing down, makes a break of structure at a Fibonacci retracement level, that's what's going to tell me that this move up is a correction to this move down. If this move up does turn out to be a correction to this move down, that means the dollar potentially would continue back down on the higher time frames, which means that we would have to trade all the US dollar pairs according to this analysis. Now, it doesn't have to break down here. I mean, it could pull back a little, make a higher low, make a higher low, go up, pull back a little, make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. So technically, the momentum is up right now on the dollar unless we get that big aggressive turn at a Fibonacci level, preferably with a break of structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.